This VIP Realty property video is presented by Valerie Vaccaro. Pride of ownership shows in this unique 2-bedroom 2-bath plus den garden villa, Coronado floor plan, overlooking the 6th fairway. Plenty of room to entertain here with large eat-in kitchen, large dining room as well as an added den/guest room with French doors. Enjoy your morning coffee with a beautiful sunrise on your enclosed tiled lanai with vinyl sliding windows. Open floor plan brings in lots of natural light throughout unit. Large walk-in closet and primary bedroom, full-size washer/dryer in unit. New roof, brand new water heater. Tiled throughout main living area, bedrooms carpet. All assessments paid in full. Come start living the lifestyle you deserve in this 55+ active golf and tennis community with all the amenities included in your monthly condo fee excluding electric. Unlimited golf with no transfer, green or trail fees. Pickleball, tennis, on-site restaurant, wood shop, fitness center, 6 heated pools, card rooms, bus trips, dances, socials, on-site golf pro, billiards, and so much more. Centrally located to shopping, dining, RSW Airport, beaches, Barbara B. Mann Theater in downtown Fort Myers. For more information, review the details below or contact Valerie Vaccaro at 631-404-7563.